In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious dip recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of sausage, 1 block of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tomatoes, 10 ounces of extra sharp cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 2 jalapenos diced, 4 green onions diced, and 1 can of corn. In a pan, we're going to add our sausage and we're going to cook until it's completely cooked. Once cooked, remove from heat. In a bowl, we're going to add the softened cream cheese. Add the sour cream and mix until it's completely combined. Add in the cooked sausage and mix. Season with the salt, pepper, and cayenne powder. Add in the green onions, jalapenos, tomatoes, and corn and mix until everything is combined. Add in half of the cheese and mix. Transfer the mixture to a baking pan. Top with the remaining cheese. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Once out of the oven, let it cool and top with some extra green onions. Our delicious dip recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.